Have you ever considered social media management as an opportunity to work from home? Do you even know what social media management is? Serious question here, because if you don't, then you may be a little bit surprised with this one. Social media management. What is it? How do you do it? And how much money can you make? All of these vary from person to person. I myself am a social media manager. Now, do I do this for somebody else and currently get paid? No. I manage my own social media because I have a ton, which means I'm pretty much managing my own stuff, but I also manage some groups on the side and a couple pages as well just to help out at no cost. But this is an opportunity that can be done by anybody on any level. Social media management could be simply taking care of a single Facebook page or a combination of Facebook pages and groups. It could be a combination of the different social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Twitter, Twitch, whatever platform you really want to name off for social media. That also includes YouTube. Social media managers are the ones who go through and they will literally do everything that is needed. But like I said, this is on a case by case basis. Every social media manager picks and chooses what they want to do, how they want to do it, and what is going to be included in their process. I know that there are some social media managers out there who will go, okay, well, I'll manage your page and I will upload a post or video or article once or twice a week, each week, and I will respond to your comments, I will respond to your messages, and it'll cost you $500 a month. You heard that. A post or two a week, responding to comments, responding to messages, $500 a month. And then you have some others who will tell you, okay, I'll manage your Facebook, your Instagram, and your Threads. I will post on each of them once a day and respond to your comments and your messages and calculate out your analytics and give you a report once a week for a month, or give the analytics for the month, and that'll cost you $500. There is no set price. There is no minimum. There is no maximum. As I said, everybody is different. Everybody has a different package that they may offer. Some may not want to do all kinds of work, and some of them will do the whole entire kit and caboodle, literally everything, not just one page, but all pages. And some of them that do that make a fair amount of money per client. So we'll say hypothetically, you could have 10 clients that agree to one post per week, along with responding to comments, responding to messages, and tracking your analytics. That's one post per week on that social media page, and then responding for engagement with whoever is commenting or messaging your page. And they're going to do that for 10 people. That means they're going to go through and make a post for that page, check comments, respond to messages, and watch your analytics and give you a report once a month. And they do this for 10 people. So we'll say on Monday they do one client, Tuesday they do another client, Wednesday they do a couple of clients, Thursday they do a couple clients, Friday they do a client. That way they get all their stuff done and only have to pretty much go through and respond to those comments. Something that doesn't necessarily take a whole lot of time, but it does in the sense that they have multiple people that they're working with. So they're going to charge a fair amount of money to each client to go through, sign in to do that, take care of things, and then go on to the next one. And that's how they make their money, is they have multiple clients that they're getting paid a fair amount for to go through and do the work for them. Now, you can go about doing this yourself by offering this service on your own website or blog, on your own social media page, and be able to market to them, tell them what you're willing to do, and then gain your clients that way. As I said, there is no minimum. You can be as cheap as you want to be or as expensive as you want to be. It's entirely dependent on what you want to do as the social media manager. For instance, another way that I've seen it done is you will have a social media manager who will go, okay, I'm going to do your social media. I will do one post a day on this main page. And then they will have a tool that they pay for that will help them post your stuff across all of the social media that you have. That way, if you do one thing on that primary page, it automatically gets sent out to the others. And because they use that tool, they're going to charge you for use of that tool to manage your accounts. So we'll say without them using the tool, it would take them an hour every day to go through and post, take pictures, respond to comments, whatever it is that you're going to have them do. Because that's one thing that is different about everybody. Like I said, some of them will create your content completely for you. They will take pictures or license them. They will license videos or create videos. They will write blog articles or social media posts for you, which takes their time, and then they turn around and use that tool and push it out somewhere else. And because they pay, we'll say $50 a month or $500 a year or whatever it is, they're going to go, okay, well, I used this tool for this amount of work on this page, so you're going to pay this amount of money for use of this tool to manage your account. And then you multiply that by however many clients that they choose to take on. I've seen people take on 1 or 2 clients. I've seen them take up to 10 clients. There's a couple of them that I know that have over 10 clients. And each of those clients is paying $500 to have theirs managed. And $500 at 10 people is $5,000 per month. So you can make a fair amount of money doing this. Like I said, you can market this on your own website, your own blog, your own social media, put it out there, and you can be able to potentially get clients that way. I hope you found this informative and helpful. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you've considered this, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.